Girl, did you see? They brought back the dire wolves. What? Didn't it go extinct 13,000 years ago? How did they even do this? Well, scientists used something called CRISPR to edit a grey wolf's gene and make it look like a dire wolf. Whoa, slow down, Savannah. What is a gene?
A gene is like a dictionary with all the definitions about you, like your height, your eye colors, your hair type.
Okay, now let's go back. So CRISPR is basically like a special editing tool that lets scientists find an exact word in the dictionary and change its definition. For example, in our case, it would be changing the fur from gray to white.
And how does this crispy work?
CRISPR, not crispy.
First of all, the guide RNA that acts like GPS finds exactly the gene we want to modify. Then comes the scissors. The Cas9 protein cuts the DNA.
But be careful, you can't just cut anywhere. There are specific places called PEM sites where you're supposed to cut the DNA. And after this process, the cell has two ways to repair itself. Either by non-homologous end joining, which is a way of the gene gluing itself back quickly, but messily. This is not the best way because a nucleotide can be lost or added, which can lead to the gene becoming unfunctional. Then the other way is homology-directed repair, which is slower but more precise. Scientists give the cell a gene with the modifications they want, then the cell copies this template into the cut spot. Now you might be wondering, how do we get the actual wolves? Well, after getting the edited genes, scientists turn them into embryos. First, they take a dog's ovum, or female cell, then remove the nucleus from it, which is the part that contains all the DNA. Then finally, replace it with a new nucleus that contains the edited wolf genes. Then finally, implant it into a female dog. And boom, just like that, we get baby dire wolves born. What do you think the next species is gonna be?